Good morning, students. Our school 25% portions test will be started. So now matrix and determinants chapter. We have to discuss the exercise 1.1, the important sum. If 5 mark, if a equal to 1 by 9 minus 8 1 4 and 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4, prove that A inverse equal to A transpose. So how to deal with the sum? How to find it is easy. So the easy way to solve the sum is, what we have to prove? A inverse equal to A transpose. A inverse equal to A transpose. 1 minute. A inverse equal to A transpose. So first of all, A inverse equal to A transpose, we can write A inverse equal to A transpose. The A inverse matrix, we have to multiply A inverse into A equal to A into A transpose. Pre-multiply A on both sides. We have to pre-multiply A. Pre-multiply A on both sides. So multiply A here and here. Whenever write in the previously A, here also write previously at A. We don't multiply here. So what is the value of A into A inverse? You know the property, A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to I. So A into A inverse is equal to I. Now we have to apply A into A inverse is equal to I. Here A transpose. So what we have to prove? It is enough to prove. It is enough to prove. It is enough to prove. So first of all, we have to multiply A into A inverse. What is the value of A? So we can write the result, A into A inverse equal to I. A into A inverse. What is the value of A? 1 by 9 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. This is the matrix of A. Into also 1 by 9 A inverse A transpose matrix. The A transpose matrix is what? 1 by 9 is common, and change the row and column. Interchange the row into column or column into rows. So we can write minus 8. Let us take the row, change into column. Minus 8 1 4 and 4 4 7 and 1 minus 8 4. So now the value is 1 by 81. Multiply these 9s, 1 by 81. What we can to prove? I. Do you know the I matrix? You don't write this multiplication because it is very tough. It will take some time. So that's why I am saying give the blank space and equal to, we have to create the identity matrix. What is the value of identity matrix? Give the space. What I can write, so you can write. So give the space and also give the space which is equal to, what is the identity matrix? Do you know identity matrix? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Sorry, 0 0 1. So this is the identity matrix. What we want to prove? I is the proof. So we have to create I. This is the I matrix. Okay. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here 1 by 81 is there. So we can write 1 by 81. Suppose the matrix will be an identity matrix. What the value will come? 81 81 81. Take the 81 outside. The 81 81 will be cancelled. So that's why I can write this type of sum. You did not multiply these two. So 1 by 81 here, 1 by 81 here. This is the identity matrix. So what is the value will come? Here we want to 1 1 1. So here 81. We want to divide this. So what is the answer? 81 81 81. Other values are 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is enough for that. So what will come? The value is 81. This step is enough. So what we can do? 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. The value is completed. Because we have to take 81 outside, both of these cancel. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So the proof that sum will be approach this type. Okay, it is easy for that. I can calculate. I did not calculate any terms. I can write directly. So the result will come because what is the value? A transpose is equal to I. Hence prove A transpose equal to I. Hence proved by the sum. Okay. So we want to approach the prove that sum this type of manner. Okay. Right. We will discuss that. Next sum. I have this. Next one more sum. If example 1.1 if A equal to 8 minus 6 2 and minus 6 7 minus 4 and 2 minus 4 3. Verify that answer A into adj equal to adj into A equal to determinant of A into I3. Determinant of A into I3. 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. So how to approach this sum? It is easy. Which one is easy? Suppose you can find A and GA and at GA into A, we have to multiply these two and the value is to prove determinant of A into I3. So I can do the easiest way. So follow this. First we want to compulsory find determinant of A, because what is the proof? What is in the proof? Determinant of A. So that's why we have to find determinant. Determinant we can write only 2 line because it's like a modulus value. Modulus. So this is not exactly modulus. We can draw the line like modulus. This is the determinant. So we can read this is the determinant. Don't write matrix form. 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. So do you know the expansion? Plus minus plus. So first we have to take 8. What is the value? 21. And this value will be get the minus. We have to multiply minus automatically. So this is plus 16 and create the minus 16. Next minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. Minus into minus plus, so plus 6. And multiply these two. Leave this one, this column and this row. So minus 18. Minus 18. And this one is minus 8. So plus 8. We have to multiply automatically 1 minus. And this one plus 2. Plus 2 means this one, this one. So 24. So 24 minus 14. 24 minus 14. So what is the value? Now 8 into 5 plus 6 into minus 10 plus 2 into 10, because 24 minus 14 10. Now 40 minus 60 plus 20. So what is the value? Which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. 60 minus 60 0. And we want to find adjoint value. Adj. Adj is equal to Aij transpose. Aij transpose. How to find Aij? Aij is a cofactor matrix. Aij is a cofactor matrix. How to find Adj equal to, this is the cofactor matrix Aij transpose. First we have to create this type of problem. First term plus, write the bracket only, and second term minus, we can write the bracket only, and we need some space, and the third term plus the bracket only. Whole transpose is important. And this is minus, and this is plus, and this is minus. This is also very important 5 mark, and this is plus. Alternatively we can write plus minus plus. Okay, so now we want to find these type of values. It is easy for that. This is the easy way. We did not confuse anywhere. So write the first bracket here. It is easily calculate this, because this is the cofactor. Write the first bracket, these type of values. Only write the bracket, not a outside value. Write the bracket only. So 21 minus 16, and then minus 18 plus 8, and then 24 minus 14. Here what I am doing, you can follow easily. We have to complete very short time of period. So this is a time maintenance. It could not take more time. So what I am doing, you can do easily. Right. Copy these 3 terms only inside the bracket, and we have to find these type of values. So and separate these values. Minus 6. The cofactor of minus 6 is, leave this column and this row. What is the value? 21. So sorry, leave this value minus 18. Sorry, leave minus 6. So this row and this column minus 18. Minus 18, and this one is plus 8. Minus 18 plus 8, and this term plus leave this column and this row 21 minus 4 and leave this element, that means cofactor of this element, leave this row, this column and this row. What is the value? Minus 32 and plus 12 and once again we have to find this element, cofactor of 2, leave this row and this column. What is the value? We could not understand this minus. Now erase this minus because this is the outside value minus. So that's why we have to take interior value. So leave this row and this column. What is the value? 24. Minus 14. 24 minus 14 and this value, leave this column and this row, minus 32 and plus 12 and one more thing, 3, leave this row, this column and this row. What is the value? 56 and minus 36 minus 36. Now we have to simplify this value. 21 minus 16, 5. Here is minus 10, so plus 10. And here is 24 minus 14, 10. Here minus 10 into minus plus 10. 21 minus 4. Not minus 4. Here is what? This term plus. This term is leave these 2. So the 7th term. Leave this one and this one. 24 minus 4. 24 minus 4. What is the value? 24 minus 4? 20. And here also 20. Here is 20. And 24 minus 14? 10. 32 minus 12 minus 20, so plus 20. 56 minus 36 plus 20. This is the cofactor matrix. Now adjoint matrix is what? Adj equal to Aij transpose. Now we have to transpose this matrix. If we transpose this, the same matrix will come because 5, 10. Take the first row, 5, 10, 10. Write the column 5, 10, 10. And take the second row 10, 20, 20. So 10, 20, 20. And take the third row 10, interchange to column 10, 20, 20. This is the adjoint of A. Now we have to find. So I rub this. If you want to refer this sum, you go backward. Okay? Right. So adj A here. Now you have to find the value A into adj A. A into adj A. Now A value is what? Write the A matrix and multiply adj A matrix. What is the value of adj A? 5, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20 and 10, 20, 20. So now we write the A matrix. A matrix is what? 8 minus 6 2 and minus 6 7 minus 4 and 2 minus 4 3. Now we want to multiply this, but you don't need multiply this value, because what be the value? Determinant of A into I3. Determinant of A into I3. You know the I3 value. I3 means 1 0 0 0 0 sorry 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the I3 matrix. And previously we have to find the determinant of A value. What is the value? 0. What is the value? 0. So determinant of A is this one. Determinant of A already known 0, and I3 is known. What is the value? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So directly we can write determinant of A into I3. So this is the result 1. Okay, and the result 2. What is the result 2? Adjoint of A into A. We have to interchange these two matrices. Adjoint of A into A. First we can write the adjoint matrix. What is the adjoint matrix? 5 10 10 10 20 20 10 20 20. What is the A matrix? Write the A matrix. 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 and 2 minus 4 3, which is equal to. So again what we have to prove? Determinant of A into I3. This is the prove that value, but we can do. What is I3 value? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here 0. So you don't multiply these two, because if you multiply these two terms, it will make some mistake. So that's why I am told directly you can write by the easy way. We have to need hard work, but also need the smart work. I am doing the smart work for you only. I cannot do this type of sums like this model, but how it will get easy mark in short time, how it will make that exam time management. So that's why I am told 0 directly write the proof sum. This is number 2. Already we have to find determinant of A into I3. What is the value? Determinant of A also known as 0, and I3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the equation 3. So now equation 1 equal to 2 equal to 3. That's why we can write A into adj equal to adj into A equal to determinant of A into I3. Hence proved. So prepare this type of model. It is very easy. So that's why I am doing this type of sums. You will prepare well and you write the examination. If you had any doubt, you can ask by phone call. Okay, right. So prepare well and write the test well. This is the easy way. There are more ways are there. If I handling these type of sums, I can do previously. I will now I will do the sums after some time. Okay. So how to get easy mark and short time period. So commonly said matrix are take more times, but it is easy. So that's why I am told how to get the mark. It is very easy. How to get the mark easily. So that's why I am saying you follow these type of sums. There are more sums are there. After that I will do the sums. Okay, now you can prepare this type of sums. Okay, thank you. Prepare well and you can ask anytime by phone call. Okay, right. Thank you.